Washington Allston was born on November 5, 1779, died July 9, 1843. He was an American painter and poet. Born in Waccamaw Parish, South Carolina, Allston pioneered America's Romantic movement of landscape painting. He was well known during his lifetime for his experiments with dramatic subject matter and his bold use of light and atmospheric color. While his early artworks concentrate on grandiose and spectacular aspects of nature, his later pieces represent a more subjective and visionary approach.